Greetings everyone, glad to meet you on another video. This is another video on the Earth research topic under our moon life, and here we are trying to understand a topic called Earth as a life evolutionary planet in terms of how life in itself evolves over a period of time or in its lifespan itself, and its the nature that we derive from that, whatever learnings that we gather from that, and that aspect of it is explored in this particular article. And for that, certain fundamental aspects are explored in this particular article. And if you see the English nature in which the entire article flows, right, if you look into it, uh, that nature is unusual, and the sentence formations are not usual, and there is a reason why it exists in such a way. And the expression and the knowledge that has been gathered in our research, to express it in a wisdom format and to get it out, so that the exact expression that we are trying to get out is expressed. So that is exactly why we don't, since it's in a very minute nature the way we are trying to express it, and that is exactly why if you see the sentence structures would be kind of unique, but at the same time if you could bear with it through the article, you'll get the essence that we are trying to get it out in this particular research format. And in this particular topic where we see Earth as life evolutionary planet, we go into the fundamental aspect of how life has existed since the beginning of time, and our place in this universe, in this planet Earth, how we've explored our life, and to better our livelihood on this planet, what we've done, one of the most profound and unique thing that has been in our life is to look at life in its existence, like looking at a plant grow or looking at a life exists. These elements have been very critical in our livelihood betterments. We've always taken inspirations from them in bettering our livelihood, and to fulfill our all livelihood needs, the expansive livelihood needs that we have. We've this kind of seeking has made us get to the foundation of all these knowledge base that exists in our nature itself. And one such nature is also explored here, where if you see in the article, there is a green marked space where it said that that each and every life form like explores on its own to establish its livelihood, and this has come out as a knowledge base. And if you explore those texts, even in the source language Tamil, or over here if you explore it over here in English, you'll see the kind of knowledge that's being trying to be set out in that part of the article, where we are saying is like, let me go into a more practical implication of it. Let's say if there is a plant that's growing in our space, and when we explore, like, if you see just as its growth path, and you just say like, and a plant is a young plant, or a plant has grown to a certain size, or the plant has grown to become a tree. These are all phases of their life, but when we start looking even closer in their day-to-day life, like when we water a plant, what is the kind of growth that happens within the plant, what type of growth, where the growth happens, what influences these growth type, what is the influential factor in their survival if there isn't enough water. And all these elements, when we start exploring, what if there isn't enough space around them, like what if they are like too crowded in a particular space, and what kind of reaction that comes out of a plant, and how do they survive through certain adverse periods if their parts of the plants are get cut out or like get broken during a windy season. Like all of these minute elements, when you explore, you get to see the interaction between the plant life and the soil and its surrounding itself. And these fundamental paths which these plants take to evolve as a life, this forms as a huge knowledge base for us. And this forms as a fundamental thing which truly excited me. The next part of the article, where it explores that this is the first step towards life, towards our life. And in our research, life is more about living life in terms of to the fullest, where going to that part. And if humanity's current existence, it shows that it's so promising that we are all in that kind of a knowledge space where we could be taking our first step towards living such a complete life, where we are having this knowledge of every single aspect of life in its evolution. And this all starts with our the first step, where we explore how livelihood thrives in its own and in other life forms, like a plant or a living being. And these explorational seeking, which even happens right now in these days, which was always have been in the past. And these fundamental knowledge bases have sparked our science, and which has like improved our way of understanding, or improved our knowledge base in the past, and which has always become the existence of our science so far, and it will continue to be. And these elements will continue to be our source of science, where we seek true knowledge. And these true knowledges are going to better our stance as humanity on this planet, and our life as humanity, not only in this planet, and our life which is going to be established on another planet, our moon. These knowledge bases are going to be huge and fundamental in our time to come. Right? And these articles give huge inspiration and the kind of hope that it is we are very much in that moment. And these aspects is being globally happening. Like these sort of aspects are globally happening, in the sense that when we read through the knowledge, it shows that it's not just happening in one place, it's just happening in an omnipresent way. And I hope we all join together soon in terms of sharing this knowledge and expanding our presence in this universe. And thanks again for connecting with me, and I hope to connect with you on further videos from now on. Thank you guys. Have a great day.